Hey guys, this is Dia and welcome back to my channel Mom and Me. So today I am going to tell you 10 habits that tidy people follow to keep their house clean and clutter free at all times. For them, cleaning is a lifestyle and never a chore. So let's begin. I am going to start by telling you 4 culprits that actually make our house look so cluttered. I bet you, even if your house is clean, it will look cluttered because of these 4 items. The first one is dishes in the kitchen. And if you can learn to tackle dishes in the kitchen with a right routine, which I'll discuss in a minute, then your kitchen will look so much organized. The second one is clothes lying everywhere, whether it's worn clothes lying in your bathroom floor or it's washed laundry just unfolded lying on your couch or on your floor. The third one is paper. Paper is a big clutter these days, and if you can learn to manage paper properly, then your house will look so much cleaner. And last is toys. If you have kids, you would know toys are everywhere. Kitchen, drawing room, dining, everywhere. So I am going to tell you the easiest and the quickest way to handle these clutter items at home and other tips that tidy people follow to keep their house clean all the times. So before I begin, I am aiming for 1000 likes, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video. So let's begin. So tidy habit number 1. Tidy people make their bed every morning. No reason to make your bed in the morning if you're going to unmake it tonight, right? Actually wrong. Imagine walking into a bedroom that is messy versus walking into a clean bedroom. Making your bed every morning makes your entire bedroom appear more orderly. Plus, this is a chance for you to literally put yesterday to bed and make way for a new day. Habit number 2. Tidy people put away their clothes always. As tempting as it is to chuck your worn clothes on your bathroom floor, try instead putting them into the laundry basket immediately or back into the closet. It takes less time to get dressed every day and your house is kept in order. Also, clean clothes are wonderful, but not if they are piled up on the floor or in the laundry basket and never actually make it to your closet. It only makes your house look cluttered, so fold them at the earliest to keep your home tidy. Habit number 3. Tidy people empty their dishwasher every morning. By attending to the dishwasher first thing in the morning, you're making sure that all your dishes are clean and they are back into their place before the day really begins. Also, if you don't empty the dishwasher, the dirty dishes will start to build up in the sink, making your kitchen look dirty. So empty the dishwasher first thing in the morning and whole day fill it up with dishes as you go. Once dinner is done and dusted, run the dishwasher at end of the night, rinse and repeat. Make it a habit and never a chore. Habit number 4. Tidy people never procrastinate and attend to tasks immediately. For instance, when opening letters and bills, don't just toss the envelope aside, chuck it away immediately. No need to have piles of unnecessary paper lying around, so make sure to open all mails as it comes, then either action, file or bin each item on the spot. The same rule should apply to small messes and spills, and even for your emails for that matter. Bite the bullet and clean it up now rather than later, as later never comes. Habit number 5. Tidy people clean the kitchen as they go. This may sound pretty obvious, but tidy people are great at multitasking. Cooking can at times feel like a marathon, particularly when the kitchen is left like a bomb has exploded after you're done. The key to maintaining an organized kitchen is multitasking while you cook. Toss away scraps when you're waiting for something to fry. Wash or place dirty dishes in the dishwasher as the meal is cooking in the oven, and wipe down the surfaces that you've finished using along the way. Before you know it, come serving time, the kitchen is almost sparkling. Habit number 6. Clean first, rest later. Resist the urge to turn on the TV or pick up your mobile. Rather, clean first and then melt down into your couch. The longer you let your pots and pans linger in the sink, the harder it will be to clean. We know it's been a long day, but if you quickly rinse your dishes and load the dishwasher right after you eat, the sink will be clear before you even know it. Once you start relaxing, watch TV or surf your phone, it becomes so challenging to get the motivation to get up and start cleaning. So just do it before you start relaxing. Habit number 7, they focus on one room at a time. So pick a room and grab as much as you can from that room. You can also use a basket and fill the basket towards the room you're headed to. Don't keep going back and forth as you're only wasting energy by moving around, making you tired, but a lot is not getting done. So maximize your energy moving from one room to another. Habit number 8, tidy people are always decluttering. Actually, they are looking for clutter hotspots. They tidy it, they organize it, and they establish a system so that it never gets disorganized again. Declutter small spaces in your house. Motto should be everything has a place and everything has a purpose. If it does not have a purpose, simply it does not have a place. So don't hang on to unwanted stuff. Purge or donate and give it a new home. As they say, donate and do not accumulate. Habit number 9, tidy people never leave a room empty-handed. Tidy people are always in a state of low-grade tidying or decluttering. I don't even think they even realize it. They're always bringing stuff back to where they belong. They make their regular movement into a continuous chain of cleaning. Make it a game. I like to call it active mode on and off. When I turn on active mode, nothing can stop me. I can work for as long as I want, but once I have turned off my active mode, then I wear my lazy pants. So try it as a game, turn on your active mode and see how far you can go. Another thing you can try is try to declutter 5 minutes twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, a time dedicated to declutter, and then see how far you can go. Whichever method you follow, I guarantee it will make a huge difference to how clean and decluttered and tidy your home looks. Habit number 10, tidy people believe in routine cleaning versus deep cleaning. So tidy people have their set routine morning or evening cleaning routines and they never leave cleaning on chance. For instance, do a load of laundry every day or every alternate day rather than doing all at once on the weekend and creating a lot of stress for yourself. Same goes with bathroom. Cleaning a little bit of bathroom every day versus deep cleaning once a month. Try wiping few pieces of furniture every day rather than wait for weeks to do it all at once. So guys, these are all the tips that I had to share with you today. I hope you like them. If you do, you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.